Hello friends, you're welcome to our class today. So one of my fans said I should help with this question. The question says that what is the product of the reaction of propanoic and ethanol? Now to answer this question, you have to take note of one thing. There are two functional groups that are reacting here. Two functional groups. Solution. There are two functional groups. We have the propanoic form alkanoic. So we have propanoic from alkanoic. Alkanoids are also known as a carboxylic compound. Then ethanol. Ethanol functional group is alkanol. That are the hydroxyl. Now you have to take notes. When carboxylic compound react to hydroxyl compound, what is going to be the product of the reaction? Of course, it's going to be an alkanoid or esters, right? So recall that we define esterification as the reaction of carboxylic compound with what? Alkanol to yield alkanoids and water. So water is going to be part of the product of the reaction. So in that case, we're going to see, let us write the compound propanoid. That's going to be 1, 2, 3 carbon atom. Prop means 3. So attaching your hydrogen atoms. Then let's put our carbonic here and hydroxyl. Yeah. Plus ethanol. Ethanol, that is the hydroxyl attached to 2 hydrogen carbon atoms. So the product of the reaction is going to be what? Now, when carboxylic, which is react to hydroxyl, the hydrogen atom on the carboxylic, which is this, will combine with the hydroxyls on the alkanol. So the product of the reaction is going to be, bring this down, it is 1, 2, 3. The hydrogen atoms are going to be here, The carbonic compound will remain here. Then if we remove the hydrogen atom here, you're going to be left with just this oxygen, right? Then removing this, that is, you are removing this out and you are removing this out. Hydroxyl here. This will combine with this. What will be left here is just this bond. So this bond combining with this oxygen, you're going to have your 2 carbon atoms will come there. Your 2 carbon atoms will come there. This is a compound that will form. So what will happen between the hydrogen and the hydroxyl? Hydrogen plus hydrogen will give us 2 hydrogen, and then the oxygen will give us water. So the product is going to be an alkanoid and water. Product is going to be an alkanoid and water. And you know that the alkanoids have a general functional group, and it's known as what? You know that alkanoids have a general functional group of R, COOR prime. Where R here is what? Where R here, the R equals to what? Alkyls of alcohol. Alkanol. Let me just put alkanol. Alkyls of alkanol, and R prime equals to the alkyl of alkanoic. So naming the compound, you make mention of the alkyls of alkanol first before you make mention of the alkyls of the alkanoid. So the name is going to be, this compound name is going to be, that is this compound name. is going to be ethyl. Understand? It's an alkyl of alkanol. So this is going to be ethyl because it's containing 2 carbon atoms. Then coming to this side, which is carboxylic, this is 1, 2, 3. Ethyl propanoate. Ethyl propanoate. That is how to name this compound. And it's what? Is from what? Is from alkanoate. And then this one is what? Water. So the product of the reaction is going to be an alkanoate and water. And what is the alkanoate that is formed there? You name this to be ethyl propanoate. Where this is ethyl and this is propanoate. That is how to name that using the esters. Recall I said that these are also esters. And some alkanoate are the same as esters because they undergo esterification reaction using hydrolysis. And it's also a reversible reaction. The reaction is reversible. You can reverse this reaction back to produce and propanoic and ethanoic. So it's a reversible reaction. So that is how to answer that question. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.